Well, so much for the wind warning. It's February 25th, 2012, and there's a wind warning issued for the southern Gulf Islands today with some really strong winds. You know, it's dead calm here on the north end of Salt Spring Island, and just beautiful. Got scattered clouds. Sun up there. It's about 6.5 degrees Celsius and rising, so no complaints. I'm going to head down to the greenhouse and do some potting up of palm trees. So this is what it looks like right now during this so-called windstorm. You can see the palm fronds are not even moving. It's calm out here. Calm, sunny, and just a beautiful day here on the north end of Salt Spring Island. I don't know, in my opinion, this would be like the perfect winter day. Good day for working out in the garden. Just a good day to do anything outside.